So, hello. So, what team number are you guys?
We're Team 3 Python.
Team 3 Python, and what college or university do you represent?
We're from Oxnard College.
Okay. And tell us about your experience so far. How's it going?
Well, so far we've been having a lot of fun. The workshops are very helpful. We had the pleasure of meeting the Python workshop lead here. It's been very informational. A lot of new stuff I haven't been looked into as of prior to this, but it's been helping us out a lot, at least from my experience.
Yeah.
From my experience, I really liked the first workshop I went through. It was a workshop for cleaning data with Professor Dan. I really like how he went through the detail of doing it step by step, because I wasn't really that experienced with cleaning data since my first Plot-A-Thon in 2025. But right now, since I had experience from last year, I felt more confident. So I really liked it that he showed me step by step.
Yeah. How about the rest of you?
I am, this is my first year
Yeah.
to participate in
Yeah.
Plot-A-Thon, and I am really enjoy about the experience and the learn also experience and educational for workshop. I knew I learn more new things, so yeah, so it's good experience. And
Yeah, a lot of it is new. Yeah, and how about you? How are you doing?
So far, it's a pretty fun event, and it's my first Plot-A-Thon, and I'm already excited for the next one. And I'm trying to pick up what's going on here, so I could be ready for the next one.
Yeah, I love what you guys are saying. Part of it is really becoming more confident and more familiar with some of the processes, right? Of going through the data cleaning, using the tools to visualize, and then of course communicating that through an infographic and then having that video. And it does take a little bit of time, and getting familiar with it, and the fact that you're not turned away by the kind of challenges is really great that you're working together. Do you enjoy working together as a team, or did you find any challenges as you were working together?
So far it's been going pretty good. We've been communicating clearly. We set our goals in the very beginning on how we wanted to split things up, and so far we've been able to meet all those goals. We've been able to work on our infograph, on our poster itself, and things are going well as a team.
Yeah. Any surprises when you were working this time around in Plot-A-Thon?
Yes, our first initial question that we wanted to answer, looking through the data, we found out that we thought it was going to be such a great idea. We found out through the data that a lot of the percentages were against our favor. So we were very shocked by that, yeah.
But that's really kind of part of the learning, is you got to let the data speak, right? You have a lot of assumptions about what might be there, and then when you look at it, you're realizing, oh, it's not lining up, right? And then you have to shift gears, you have to pivot and find something else. So did you find a data story?
Yeah, we pivoted.
Oh, that's exciting. So that's really neat. I can't wait to see it. Can I ask you one more question? What did you learn the most out of your experience so far?
As for me, I've been going through a lot of processes, going through data cleaning, a lot of working with missing variables. I did find a fun fact. I don't know, most groups probably found it out. There were a few columns that didn't align with the age. So it was a lot of data cleaning, making sure you understand how to remove those types of columns and making sure you're looking at the right information.
Yeah. Anyone else have any thing that you learned the most out of the experience so far?
For me, I think it's just thinking about what topic to work on. As you said, it is part of the process, and I kind of learned throughout the way that it's part of the process, and we struggle with it, and we learn in the end. And I really like that processes that we use today that we didn't know oh, it's not gonna work out, but we managed to find a way to pivot and then make it work in the end.
Yeah. What do you like the most out of being here at Plot-A-Thon?
I really this is my first time doing it overnight, so I really liked it.
You like the overnight? Did you not sleep at all, or?
I got 4 hours of sleep. He's the only one that didn't sleep.
Oh, no wonder. You must be really tired. Yeah.
I think I woke up with him typing.
Oh my gosh, really? Do you see how you might apply anything that you learned from Plot-A-Thon? How are you gonna? What do you guys? I guess what's your goal? Like, what's your? Do you have a career goal in mind? You're hoping to use this experience to help you with?
I'm pretty sure we're all like in either data science or computer science majors. So this is definitely like a pipeline to help us understand what our industry standards for data cleaning, simple infographics, especially the presentation that we're working on for this. I'm assuming in the professional field, you're gonna have deadlines, and you're gonna have to be able to present the data that it's being represented clearly.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Good luck to you guys on your final infographic and your video.